my friends. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome back to my video on real talk and hard truths. Today, we're tearing down excuses and rebuilding with pure grit. You're here because you're ready to stop being broke, ditch the victim mindset, and grab life by the horns. Let's get straight into it. Victim mindset. It's a disease and it's spreading fast. You might not even know you're infected. It's easy to point fingers to blame the economy, your upbringing, or bad luck for your empty wallet. But here's the raw truth. That mindset is your biggest enemy. It's a self-made prison and you've got the key. Break free. It's time to own your life. External factors, they're just the weather. Your response, that's the climate you create. It's time to be the storm. Educate yourself. Make decisions that your future self will thank you for. This is the battleground, and it's time you fought back. Here's your battle plan laid out in 4 steps. Step number 1, budget. This isn't a suggestion, it's your new commandment. Step number 2, self-investment. Your brain is your best asset. Feed it knowledge, skills, and wisdom. Step number 3, expenses. Slash them. It's not fueling your growth, it's dead weight. Step number 4, resilience and persistence. Rome was not built in one day, and neither is wealth. Brace yourself, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Enough with the blame. It's a cheap drug that keeps you numb. Wake up, seize control. Your life, your decisions, your outcomes. When you change the way you look at things, the things that you look at change. It's time to look at life like the boss you are meant to be. This is it, your financial freedom, your personal growth. They're not just dreams, they're your mission. You're not here to play small, you're here to conquer. Start now, not tomorrow, not next week, now. You're stronger, smarter, and more capable than you're ever imagined. Smash that like button if you're ready to take on the world. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more uncompromising, life-changing content. This is Nick Rehmani with freedomlifebusiness.com, and we don't just talk, we take action and transform lives. As we wrap up today's journey, remember, this is just the beginning. If you found value in this video and are open to continue exploring ideas and strategies that can transform your life, make sure you stay connected. A great way to do this is by visiting freedomlifebusiness.com and opt into my email list. It's a hub where you can find more content that speaks to growth, financial freedom, and building a successful life and business. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams. And until next time, stay fierce. Bye for now.